How to unlink email from Roblox account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek, and in today's video I will simply show you how you can actually unlink your email address from your Roblox account. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to unlink our email address from our Roblox account, you have to go ahead and then open up your browser and then just go to roblox.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box, so go ahead and check that out and then log into your account if necessary. Once you are logged into your account, you have to tap on the gear icon from the very top right hand side and go to the option called settings. And as you go to settings, you want to make sure you're under the account info tab, and here you'll see your current email address. If you want to change the email address on Roblox, just tap on the edit button next to this email address, enter the new email address that you might want to use for this case, and tap on the change email button. But as I said earlier, in order to actually go ahead and then unlink your email address, you have to link a new email address and remove the previous one. So it'll ask me to verify my password. Go ahead and do that. Once I enter my password, I'll tap on the verify button and it will send a verification link to my new email address that I want to use. And now what I will do is I'll go to the option that says my email, and I'll just refresh it a couple of times until I receive an email address from Roblox. So as you can see, I have the Roblox email verification, so I'll just go ahead and select it up. I'll choose the option called I agree and validate email, and as I do that, I'll have successfully verified my new email address and unlinked my previous email address from Roblox. That's all it takes to unlink your email address on Roblox. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.